It's the Vandal Hour.
Large amount, man, the boy with $1 billion. Yeah. Who is large amount? What you know about him? Fire on the lean, nigga, yeah, you from the bottom. Rough Rider tour, Nassau, backstage. My Timbs was double sold, black suede. Right before the Hot Boys crew broke their alliance. Snitches in my hood was breaking the code of silence. Shout out to the PR bitches fucking they clients. Snakes come right for your head, you know Medusa. I know FMC who fucked up producer. Popped up Prego, fucked up a future. Never been a wife, crying, thinking, dying is better than your life. Playing the game, look, I said it wasn't fair. Ran out of options to better your career. RP the Ariel, remember I was there. Just another day that I survived. Thank God I made it out alive. Created 2 years prior to 85. I don't relate with the fake shit like I'm forbidden to hear liars. Used to turn the TV on with a pair of pliers. I done hit the road with coke in the spare tire. If you listen to large nigga, you hear fire. How can I not rap? My uncle had cancer. It took me back to when my pops died. Life ain't fair. I told you, look at it lopside. Be careful who you drinking, smoking weed with. Large good, know you mean well, but I don't need shit. Sometimes it's better to be on the side, let's agree with. Who is large amount? What you know about him? Yeah, from the bottom. Yeah, from the bottom. Who is large amount? What you know about him? Fire on the lean, nigga, yeah, from the bottom. Who is large amount? What you know about him? Fire on the lean, nigga, yeah, from the bottom. Who is large amount? What you know about him? Fire on the lean, nigga, yeah, from the bottom. Before Terrence Howard, I seen niggas build empires. They was killing it, dealing with kill and bias. OGs pulled the Milanos out on them thin tires. Cash came the fast way. Last trash talk a word to cash play. Still smoking roaches out the ashtray. Day one's ride to my last day. Still real, yeah, my niggas deserve a break. You never show love, some niggas deserve to hate. I fuck with you, I trust you, we hustle, we serve the weight. Yeah, change out the game, they get it, I'm worth the wait. Twisting up with the stoners, no futures to get diplomas. Chase the riches, we get the bitches like it's a bonus. It's a staircase, where you get used to the piss aromas. Get it, nickel and diamond, the deep, we grinding the corners. Pitching like on the diamond, but we don't sign in the owners. Picture what these niggas was using to hit the homeless. He strung, we slung, C, keep something to sniff. Hope these niggas brung heat, keep one on the hip. Even though I know Poppy will front me a brick. I went to college, got some refund money to flip. Getting paper, yeah, that's all I think about. We know how to make it in the hood, let's make it out. We know how to cook it, let it cool and take it out. I made it forward way before Makai Pfeiffer. Fly dude in my high school was like Rikers. Pop dude saw the work moving my diapers. Even large stand small ciphers. Real niggas for they turn states turn lifers. You did it for the gram, I did it for the grams. Yeah, I spit the fifth like I'm trying to get at the jam. My niggas in Virginia with pigeons stick to the plan. Pippin' fiends, keep them sucking on the glass dick. Ball playing niggas had hope, we ain't have shit. Dirty guns, tape on the trigger, tape on the handle. Used to wear my sneakers until they turned into sandals. Just was joking with it, but now